Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our chapter is Application of Percentage. So that is the exercise 13.4. Let us start what will in your exercise. Now discount or rebate both are the same and that is equal to the fixed price minus selling price. Now come to the example number 8. The printed value of the book is given as rupees 40. So that is the mark price. So you can say MP. MP mark price, that is the rupees 40. So discount is 12% is available. Find the discount and selling price. First of all, you can round the discount. Discount percent. It is given as 12%. Now you can write here discount. Discount is equal to 12% of mark price. So 12%, so 12 upon 100, mark price is given as 40. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0. And what will be happen? 14, 12, 4 jump, 48. And divided by 10, so we get 4.8. So that is the discount. So you can write here discount is equal to rupees 4.8 and that is your answer. Now selling price. Selling price, that is the SP. SP is equal to mark price minus discount. So mark price is given as rupees 40 and the discount is 4.80. So you have to write here 0, 10 minus 8, that is the 2 point here. Here is the 9. So 9 minus 4, that is the 5 and here is 3. So 35.20 rupees. So you can say this selling price is equal to rupees 35.20. So that will be your second answer. So you can do very well. Now come to the example number 9. The print value of the table is given as rupees 1250 rupees. So you can write here the print value. So you can say mark price. So mark price, it is denoted by MP, that is the rupees of 1250. It is sold to a customer rupees 1100 rupees. So that is the selling price. Selling price, that is the SP. SP is rupees 1100. Now find out the percentage discount given in the table. Now come to the discount. Discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. So mark price is 1250 and selling price is 1100. So what will be happen here? So 5 and 0, 2 minus 1, that is the 1. 1 rupees, that is the discount is rupees 150. Now the percent discount. So you can write here discount percent. Discount percent. It will be discount upon mark price into 100. So discount is given as 150, mark price is 1250 and into 100. So now 0 will be cancelled out. So 5 to the 10 and 5 5 the 25. 5 3 the 15. Now 25 4 jump. So that is the 4 3 the 12. So it is 12%. So that one is your answer. Now come to the example 10. After discount of 15%, that means discount is given. So you can write discount is equal to 15%. On the print value of a shirt was sold rupees 442. Find the print value. That is the selling price. So you can write selling price is equal to rupees 442. Now let the mark price, let MP is equal to rupees X. So discount is equal to 15% of X. So it is 15 upon 100 into X. So 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10. So it will be 3X upon 20. So it is discount. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. So selling price is given as 442, mark price is X and discount is 3X upon 2. So you have to write 3X upon 20, not 2. So taking their LCM, 442 will be equal to 20 is LCM. So we can say 20 of X and minus 3 of X. So it is 442 is equal to, it is the 17 of X upon 20. So X will be equal to 442 into 20 divided by 17. So now solve to this. Now 17 2 ja 34 and 17 6 ja. You can 30. Now X will be equal to 2 6 ja 12 and 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5 and rupees. It is the 520 rupees. So you have to write selling price is equal to rupees 520 and that one is your answer. Now come to the next question, that is the example 8. Now a shopkeeper gave a off-season 10% discount on a sweater to his customer in summer even. Then 12% gain was in the shopkeeper pocket. At what price did the shopkeeper buy the sweater if the print price on the sweater is rupees 500? So let us do how can do this. In this question, mark price is given as 500. So you can write here mark price. My price is given as rupees 500 and the discount is 10%. So you can write here discount. Discount is equal to 10% of mark price. So it is 10 upon 100 into mark price is 500. So this 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. So we get rupees 50. Now selling price, you can find the selling price. SP. Selling price is mark price minus discount. Mark price is given as, that is the 500 and discount is 50. So that one is 450. So selling price is the 450 rupees. So you have to write rupees. Now come to the cost price. How can find the cost price? The formula is cost price is equal to selling price into 100 upon hundred minus discount. It is not discount. You have to. It is not a discount. It is the gain. So you have to write this one. So that is the plus and that is the gain. Gain percent. So gain percent is given as this one 12.5. So you have to write selling price is 450 and it is 100 and 100 plus gain percent is given as 12.5. So you have to write 12.5. So what will be upon? It is 450 into 100 and we can add here. So 112.5. So after removing the decimal, so we can increase 10. So divided by 5. So 5 2 ja 10 and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 15. So here is the 5 2 ja 10. Once again 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. And here will be 5 2 ja 10 20. Now 45 10 ja. So we get 10 into 2 into 2. You have to see here too. 10 into 20, not 2. So CP will be equal to rupees. It is 400. So that is your answer. Now come to the question example 12. You can do here. Farmer Ramdi has 25 acres of land. If the property of land tax charges rupees 15 per area annually. Per area annually. So how much tax would Ramdeep pay for his land every year? So let us do how can do. Actually, this is not a area; it is the acre. It is looking like this one. So tax charge is given as rupees 15 per acre. Now total land is given as 25 acres. 25 acres. Now total tax paid by this one. So it is the total land into tax charges per acre. So total land is 25 and tax charge is 15 rupees. So you can multiply to this 15 5 ja 75 and 15 2 ja 30 and 7 that is the 375 and it is rupees. So that one is your answer. You can do this. Example 13. A motorcycle cost rupees. So cost of motorcycle. So you can write here cost price is equal to that is the rupees 42000 and weight is given as VAT. VAT is given as 4% of cost price. So 4% means 4 upon 100 into 42000. Now 0 will be cancelled out and once again 0 will be cancelled out. So we get here 4 into 420. Now multiply to this one. 4 0 is 0, 4 2 is 8 and 4 4 is 16. So weight is given as rupees 1680 and that one is your answer. Now come to the next question and that is the example of 14. A city has 5242 houses. If rupees 2 per house is deposit as property tax and the 20 rupees as water tax every year, then calculate the amount of deposit as tax for the city every year. First of all, we have to write number of houses. So number of houses is equal to 5242. Now that is the property tax. Property tax is equal to rupees 2 per house and your water tax is equal to 20 rupees per house. It is 20 rupees per house and the 2 rupees. So you can here calculate the total tax. Total tax is equal to 2 plus 20. So it is a 22 rupees per house. So paid tax is equal to total tax into number of house. Now total tax is 22 and the number of house is 524. Now multiply to this, we get the rupees total. So it is 1,15,324 rupees. So that will be your answer. Now come to the next example. The example is 15. So you can a shopkeeper deposit rupees 4,500 as VAT after 6 months of sale. If VAT rate is given as 4%, find out how much material of original amount did he sell. So let us do this. Let mark price is equal to rupees X. So VAT is given as, VAT is equal to 4% of X. So it is 4 upon 100 into X. Now VAT is given as, that is 4500. So VAT is given as 4500. According to question, 4 upon 100 into X will be equal to 4500. So X will be equal to 4500 into 100 and upon 4. So let us do the multiplication. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 25. 4 25 4 ja, that is 100. So V is equal to, that is the 4500 into 25. Now you can multiply. We get 11250. 1,12,500 rupees. That is your answer. Now come to the next example. That is the 16th example. Rajia went to purchase medicine. She bought medicine rupees 625 as print amount and paid to extra tax, that is the 12.50 on it. What is the percentage of the rate of tax? So it is the mark price. Mark price is given as rupees how much? 625 and the tax is given as rupees 12.50. Now percent tax is equal to tax upon mark price into 100. So tax is given as 12.50, mark price, that is the 625 and into 100. Let us do how can do this. So 5 से divide करेंगे इसको. So 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10 and 5 5 जा 25 and 5 2 जा 10. 5 2 जा 10 and 5 5 जा 25 and 5 4 ja. Once again we can cut here, so here increase the double zero. Now 25 5 ja 125 and 1 0. 1 0 will be cancelled here and here is the 5 2 ja 10 and 2 2 ja 4. So what will be happen here? It is 2% and that will be your answer. Now come to the example 17. Suresh bought a radio. He paid rupees 780, that is 780 rupees to the shopkeeper, including tax 4%. Find out the original price. So let the original price or mark price, both are the same. So mark price will be equal to rupees X. Now tax is given as, that is the 4% of X. So 4 upon 100 into X, so 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja and 4 5 ja. So it will be X upon 25. So that will be your tax. Now after tax. Selling price, that is the SP, is equal to mark price plus tax. So mark price is given as X and tax is X upon 25, and it is given as 780. Selling price is given as 780. Now put the value 780. Now taking the LCM. LCM is 25, and here is the 25 of X and plus X. Now it can be 780 is equal to, it is 26X upon 25. So X will be equal to 780 into 25, and here is 26. So it will be 3 times and 30. So X will be equal to 30 into 25. So X will be equal to 3, 5, 15, and 3 to the 6, and 1, 7, and 1, 0 is there. So this is the original price. So you can write the original price. Original price is equal to rupees 750. That one is your answer. Now come to the exercise. Suraj bought a bicycle of cost 1750 rupees. If the rate of sale tax on the cycle is 4%, how much amount have paid the Suraj for the cycle? So first of all, mark price. It is given as rupees 1750. Now the tax is given as 4%, 4% of mark price. So you have to write 4 upon 100 and into mark price is 1750. Now come to this one. 0 will be cancelled out, and 2 to the 4, and 2 5 the, and 5 here, 5 3 the, 15, and 5 5 the. So you can multiply to this one, 35 to the 70. So tax is given as this one, 70 rupees. Now find the selling price. Selling price, that means the mark price and plus tax. So mark price is given as 1750, and this one is the 70. So what will be upon 0, 0, 7 and 5, that is the 12, and here is the 7 and 1, 8. So it will be selling price is rupees 1820. That one is your answer. The Gram Panchayat Gidpur near Mahanadi collects the tax rupees 20 per cubic meter. So you have to write tax is equal to rupees 20 per cubic meter. Now, if a truck contains 5 cubic meter, so sand is equal to 5 cubic per meter, 5 cubic meter per truck. Number of truck is equal to 12. So find the total amount of a tax. So you can write here total number of account of tax. So total tax. How can find the total tax? First of all, tax per cubic meter into sand cubic meter per truck into number of truck. Now you can multiply. This is the truck. Tax is paid the rupees. That is the 20, and here is the 5, and here is the 12. So that is the rupees. It is 20 and 12 5 the 60. So that is the 6 to the 12. So 1200 rupees, and that one is your answer. Anjali bought second that cost rupees 500. So cost of second is equal to rupees 500, and the sell tax on the second sell tax on second is equal to 16% of rupees 500. It is 16 upon 100 into 500. Now 0 will be cancelled here, this 0 will be cancelled here, and it is the 16 5 the 8. Now come to the total cost. Total cost of second is equal to, it is 500 plus 80, and that will be, it is 580 rupees. Now come to the ornament cost. Ornament cost is equal to rupees how much? It is 800. It is given here, rupees 800. Now tax on ornament. Tax on ornament. It is how much? 16%. It is 8%. So it is the 8 upon 100 into 800. So 0 will be cancelled out. So 8 is just 64. So total cost of ornament is equal to how much? It is 800 and plus 64. So it will be rupees 864. Now total amount will be equal to rupees, that is the 580 and plus 864. So what will be happen? You can write here 0 and 4, that is the 4, and 8 and 6 14, so 4, and 8 and 6, that is the 1, and that one is your answer. Now come to the next question, that is the fourth question. A farmer pays rupees 4 per acres as a land revenue for the government. If Ramdev has 85 acres of agricultural land, how much land revenue would he pay to the government? So total land you can write here. Total land. It is given as how much? It is 85 acres. So you can write here 85 acres. Now the revenue, land revenue. It is given as rupees 4 per acre. Now the total revenue is equal to 85 into 4. So you can multiply 5 4 ja 4 5 ja 20, and 4 8 ja 40, and 2, that is the 42 rupees. Total revenue is equal to rupees 420, and that one is your answer. some multiplication is wrong here, so you can correct it. So 4 5 ja 20, so carry is 2, so you have to write here 2, and 4 8 ja 32, and 2 is, it is 34, so 340 rupees is your answer. Now come to the next one, that is the fifth question. Municipal Corporation of Sundarpur decided rupees 8 per square feet as development tax if the land owned by the Bhanu Prakash measure as 50 feet into 30 feet. How much development tax will be paid? So that is the tax is given as, first of all, tax is given as rupees 8 per square feet. Now the total area of land, it will be given as 50 into 30 feet square feet. Now it will be 5 3 15, and this will be 1500 square feet. Now the total development tax, so you can write here total tax is equal to, both are multiplied. So total area of land into tax rate, you can say. So total area of land is 1500 and tax is given as 8 rupees. Now multiply to this, so we can find in rupees. So 8 0 00. It is 12,000 rupees, and that one is your answer. Dinesh brings trucks of grains from the other state, 4 rupees this one. So total cost of grain, so you can write here cost of grain. It is given as rupees how much? 37500. Now entry tax, you can write here entry tax. It is given as 2.5% of cost of grain. Now 2.5 into 37500. Now do the multiplication. It is 2.5 upon 100. Now remove the decimal and put the 0. So 0 will be cancelled out. This 0 will be cancelled out. So we get it will be 25 into 375 upon 10. And the multiplication and divide, we get 937.5. So that one is the answer. So you can write here entry tax is 937.5. Now come to the next question, question number 7. Gram Panchayat Adrena charges house tax at the rupees 25 per house. So you can say rate of tax. Rate of tax is given as rupees 25 per house. And the number of houses is given as 216. So you can write here number of house, that is the 216. So Panchayat area, how much income will the village Panchayat have both house tax? So total tax, you can find the total tax. So total tax is equal to rate of tax into number of house. Now rate of tax is 25 and number of house is 216. So you can write here and calculate it. It will be 5400 and that one is your answer. Now come to the last question of this exercise. The Indian government charges 11% production tax. So you can write here production tax is equal to 11% on a tractor over the invested amount. If the tractor produce the factory cost rupees this one. So CP cost price is given as rupees 1 to how many zeros? 3040. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Yes, find out the production tax. Now come to the production tax. Production tax. Total production tax. Total production tax is equal to rupees 12,000,040 into 11 by 100. 11%. So double zero will be cancelled out. Now multiply to this one. 11 to the double zero here. 11 to the 22 and 11 7 the 11 and 2 30. So that one is your answer. The exercise is over. मतलब एक्सरसाइज आपकी समाप्त हो रही है. नीचे आपका जो है ये लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा. इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके. और कम से कम एक लाइक तो वीडियो को बनता है, तो लाइक भी करेंगे मेरे वीडियो को. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूं.